In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to build a website with no code. First, go to the Claude website and log into your account. Once you're inside, open a new chat where you can start building your website. Now, type your prompt. For example, I might type, create a simple website homepage with HTML, CSS, and a clean design for a business. After that, send the message and wait a few seconds while Claude generates the code. You'll then see a full website layout with HTML and CSS that you can copy and use. If you want to improve the result, you can refine your prompt. For example, I might type, make it modern with a hero section, buttons, and responsive design. You can also ask Claude to add more pages, improve styling, or include features like forms and navigation. Finally, test different prompts like landing pages, portfolios, or business websites to see how powerful it can be. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.